Hello everyone, today we are reviewing the ESOW matte black wall mounted paper towel holder with shelf. This versatile 2-in-1 rack organizes your spices and soaps while holding your paper towels securely. You can install this sturdy unit using the powerful adhesive or screws for a permanent wall mount. The high-grade stainless steel construction easily supports 15 pounds and fits perfectly in any modern kitchen. It features a removable rod that keeps your paper towels spinning smoothly without falling off the bar. Simply use a hairdryer to heat the adhesive for a clean removal that leaves no wall damage. This durable storage shelf is an excellent choice for keeping your laundry room or garage organized. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.